Hello, my name's Caroline Cobain and I'm a Legal Director at Just Employment Law. Return to work interviews can be a really useful tool to an employer when managing employee absence. Whether it is an employee coming back to work after a prolonged period away from your organisation, or whether a situation has arisen where an employee's pattern of shorter term absences has become challenging for your business, having that accountability and that discussion and that dialogue with an employee when they come back to work can be really helpful when managing the situation overall. A return to work meeting should be conducted in private, and the overarching feeling of the meeting should be one of support so that the employee knows that they're coming back to a supportive employer who is interested in talking about how the employee is doing when they present for work. As well as discussing how the employee is feeling, you can discuss how the employee has managed their own absence, whether they've taken medical input or guidance, and you can touch upon whether the employee has followed your own absence reporting procedures, and if they haven't, what further steps to maybe investigate that might be taken. One of the things that our clients often do in a return to work meeting is have a think about and discuss with the employee whether occupational health advice is required, and if so, what the next steps in that referral process might need to be. Having a return to work interview documented is really important because it gives you part of your paper trail when managing the situation overall, and it helps an employer to refer back to meeting notes at a later point if needed to think about why the employee was off and what was discussed at a particular time. Of course, if an employee has been absent from your business for a long period or absences are becoming more frequent, it's really important to take advice on the situation before you take next steps, just in case there are any wider employment law implications arising. If we can help at all on absence management or in the conduct of return to work interviews, please just let us know.